For those wrestling with a faulty iMac A1419 27-inch from 2012 to 2017, a replacement power supply unit, PSU, might be the answer. Specifically, this replacement is designed for models including the Retina 5K version from 2014, 2015, and 2017, targeting the PA 1311-2A 300W Lydian 661 7170 and ADP 310AF powerboard. It promises to breathe new life into your iMac if it's suffering from power issues. Additionally, there's a replacement DC-in power board charging port available for MacBook Pro Retina A1419 models. This could be a lifesaver if your MacBook Pro is struggling to charge or connect properly. The inclusion of installation tools is a definite plus, making the repair process a bit more accessible. Both of these replacement parts come with a 12-month warranty, offering peace of mind. The seller emphasizes that these replacements are 100% new. However, a word of caution, the seller explicitly states that these replacements aren't for the faint of heart or those without technical skills. Disassembling and reassembling a laptop or iMac requires a certain level of expertise, and attempting it without the necessary knowledge could lead to further damage. It's highly recommended to only purchase these items if you're confident in your ability to install them correctly. If not, seeking professional assistance is the wiser choice. The seller highlights their commitment to after-sales service, encouraging customers to reach out with any questions or concerns. This is reassuring, knowing that support is available should you encounter any difficulties during the installation process or with the product itself.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.